Jeff Whyte from Whyte's. Today we're talking about a trailer. This has been a project that's gone on for about 6 weeks. This trailer was purposely built to do all hard surface. We've got a freshwater tank in the back here, 500 litres, and it has an auto fill mechanism, so if you're on site it'll constantly fill. Directly above it is our fuel tank that's been mounted. We'll come around in a minute and I'll show you where you can fill the fuel externally from the trailer without having to open up the trailer. Now, alongside the 870 is a 5,000 psi pressure cleaner. All our overhead reels, the boys have customised and built them in here for convenience, around the side as well. Then coming around the back, we've got the truck mount positioned in this fashion, giving us to be out of the weather. Obviously, if you're working in heavy weather, you're not standing in the rain, etc. Then coming around to the side, we can then see good access for the recovery tank, and this is our external filling for fuel without having to open up the trailer. He's got fuel on board, he's got water on board, he's got everything he needs for hard surface. On the front drawbar will be, it's not here now, a 90 metre capacity vac reel that's coming. It's going to be put on the front. So he can be left on job site work all day doing all hard surface concrete work. It's been a great project. Thank you.